Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So here is another simple eyeshadow look, and it is beginners friendly. So my eyebrows are done and I am going to prep my eyelids because you can't apply your eyeshadow on your eyelids like this. You have to prep them first using a concealer or an eyeshadow primer. I'll be using a concealer because that is what I have, and then I'll just blend this using a beauty sponge. And this is the eyeshadow I'll be working with. I'll be working with the blue colors on the eyeshadow palette, and first I'll be applying this color all over my eyelid space, and for this I'll be using a blending brush. If you don't have a blending brush, you need to get one because it is needed for any eyeshadow look you'll be doing. So I'll be using this to pack on the eyeshadow color on top of my eyelid space, all over my eyelids, but I won't get real close to where you have my brows, so I'll stop around the crease area, just as you can see, and then I'll make sure to reapply a couple of times until I am satisfied with the color payoff and how the eyeshadow looks on my eyelids. For application technique, you just want to tap the eyeshadow on top of your eyelids. Just tap it on top of the concealer on top of your eyelid. You don't really need to start blending right now. Now, using a clean blending brush, I'll be using the green eyeshadow there, and then I'll be using this green to blend the edges of the blue eyeshadow. So I'll just tap the brush on the green shade, tap off the excess, make sure to tap off the excess, and then I'll be using that to blend out the harsh lines created with the blue eyeshadow. So I just don't want the blue to only be there on my eyelid space. I also want to add a little bit of green, and of course you're going to see the next thing we'll be doing in the next step, and I'll be using one of this, but I decided to go with this one, the yellow, and this is just going to add some warmth, which is like your transition color, and this is going to add some warmth. So now I have the yellow, the green, and then I have the blue on my eyelid space. And as you can see, they are all matte eyeshadows. There is no shimmer here. I won't be using shimmer. Actually I will, but later on in the eye look you'll see how I am going to apply that. And then I'll be using circular motion to just blend out the harsh lines created by the green eyeshadow. So this is just it. I am just using this two blending brush, and the first one to apply the blue and the second blending brush to apply the green and the yellow. Of course it works perfectly, and of course you can make sure to reapply the blue again. If you've lost some of the color payoff, you can reapply it all over your eyelid space. This is a really simple eye look, and you can recreate this using any colors of your choice. You can do this with nude eyeshadows. You can also do this with any color that you want, maybe purple, and as you can see there's yellow, there's green, and then of course there's blue. I am really taking my time to blend to make sure that I am satisfied with how it looks, and then I'll be applying a little bit of black on the outer V part, that is the outer corners of my eyes. I just want a little bit of darkness, a little bit of shade around that area, so I am just going to be using a little bit of black just to darken it up a little bit. But of course, if you like it the way it was, you can definitely skip this step, but this is what I wanted and this is what I'll be doing. So I'll just be using circular motion to blend the black on top of the blue. There are some harsh lines around this area, so I'm just going to dip my brush into the yellow eyeshadow, and then I'll be using this to blend out the harsh lines. Using the black eyeshadow just gives a smoky effect and it just makes everything perfect. So don't forget to take your time to really blend, because that is what is going to give your eyeshadow a pro finish. And this is really simple and it is beginners friendly. If you have gotten far into this tutorial, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave down your comments. Let me know in the comment section what you want to see next. It doesn't matter if you're a subscriber or not on my channel. I want to hear what you think about this eyeshadow look and what you expect from my channel. And of course, I am going to deliver. Also, subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Now this is where we are going to be applying the shimmer eyeshadow, and this is a shimmery blue eyeshadow, and I'll be applying this in the tear duct area of my eyes, and this is just going to open up my eyes a little bit and just complete the look. Of course, if you don't want to use the blue eyeshadow, the shimmery blue eyeshadow, you can of course use gold or silver or any other color that you like, of course. And then I'll be applying mascara. I am not applying any eyeliner or false eyelashes today, only mascara on the top and bottom part of my lashes. And as you can see, you can definitely rock your eyeshadows without eyeliner or false lashes, so you don't have to stress yourself every time thinking you have to apply false lashes or apply eyeliner. You can do your eyeshadow, apply only mascara, and then you are good to go. Also, make sure you invest in a very good eyeshadow palette and mascara, because it makes everything easier. So using a very good mascara elongates your natural lashes, so you don't really need false lashes. And here is the finished look. It is really easy, glam, smoky, and gorgeous. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and please subscribe if you're not yet a subscriber. I'll see you in my next video, guys.